Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make strawberry milkshake. Strawberry, you washed them already, they're already washed, and then we're going to jump right ahead and take off the stalk and then chop them in halves like so. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. It's totally free. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're returning. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. So while we do this, just keep doing fresh strawberry milkshake. This is gonna be so yummy. And then we are done with the chopping. Look at how it looks. And then right straight ahead, we're gonna be putting it in our blender. And then we're going to be putting in a condensed milk. We are not using sugar for this recipe, so we're replacing the sugar with condensed milk to make it really creamy. And we're trying our best to cut off sugar, lots of sugar, excess sugar. So I mean, the condensed milk already contains sugar, so that's okay. So I used 3/4 of this condensed milk, almost everything. Look at the remaining, what's left. And then we're going in with our milk. You can use whatever milk you have. Just go ahead and pour it right in. So you're gonna just pour it in until the strawberry is covered. And then just for flavor, I'm gonna be adding vanilla extract. Just a little bit, you know, just do whatever you want to do. However quantity you want. And then we're gonna start blending. Blending for 2 minutes. And then after blending for the first round, we're going to be putting in our ice cubes. Go ahead and put in your cubes. We want it to be so yummy, so cold, and almost like a slushy, but you know. Then after that, you go in again and blend again for 2 minutes, and we're done. We're all done. Very easy recipe. It's summer over here. It's super hot, so this will just cool yourself, cool your temperature, and relax with this drink, this yummy drink. And give me feedback. Let me know how it did, how you enjoyed it. Look at that. So good. So yummy. I'm just trying it out. It is super good. I mean, there's really nothing that is too, you know, there's no excess sugar. It's just the condensed milk. It is super yummy, guys. That's how it is. That's how it looks. Thank you so much. Bye.